respect to y, it's minus 3. And similarly, now moving forward, yes, the mixed one, uh, y, in terms of y, the partial function of a given profit function will get 52 minus 3x minus 4y, and y in terms of y, the partial function of y in terms of y is will get minus 4. And for the profit, we need to find the stationary point. For that one, what we need to do is that we need to assume, okay, sorry. We need to, for the stationary point, we use this condition pi x equals to 0 means partial differentiation of profit function with respect to x. We'll get this one as equation 1, and partial differentiation with respect to y, we'll get this one, equation 2. And we need to solve these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We can use any method. Over here I have used the elimination method, okay. And by doing so, the value of y, sorry, the number of y item is 10, and while substituting it in equation 1, uh, the number of the x item is 4. Therefore the stationary point is 4 comma 10, means this is the number of the item that need to be produced. X items 4 units and y item as what, 10 units. And then now moving forward, yes, we need to find the maximum profit. For that one, also need to find the value of the d, that is pi xx minus pi y minus pi xy whole square. Its value is positive, as the value of d is, that means it's positive. uh, X with respect to x, that is partial differentiation, is negative. In terms of y, with y is also negative. It means this is the condition for the profit. Therefore the profit for the maximum one, therefore the profit function is maximum at this 4 comma 10, and the maximum value at 4 comma 10 is obtained by substituting the value of x on y in the profit function, that is pi is this one. And finally, the profit is obtained as 468. यहाँहरू सबैलाई नमस्कार छ। यस भिडियोमा मैले चाहिँ फङ्सन अफ सेभरल भेरिएबल्सको एउटा क्वेसन लिएको छु। क्वेसन यस प्रकारको छ, a perfect competitive firm produced two goods X and Y which are sold at 54 pound and 52 pound per unit respectively. The firm has a total cost function given by total cost equals to 3x square plus 3xy plus 2y square minus 100. Find the quantities of each good which must be produced and sold in order to maximize profit. What is the maximum profit? We need to find the maximum profit from this question. Okay, now I'm going to solve the equation. Uh, what is given over here? Okay, here, what is given? Yes, price of the x, px equals to, okay, px equals to, it is 54 pound, and price of y is 52 pound. And the total cost is given by, total cost is equals to 3x square plus 3xy plus 2y square minus 100. Therefore, the total revenue, that is TR, is given by price of X with the unit X, and then price of Y with its unit Y is equals to price of X is 52, it's 54 pound. I'll be writing 54x plus py equals to price of the y is, it is 52y. Okay. Now we know that profit is given by it's revenue minus total cost. Total revenue is it's 54x plus 52y minus total cost is 3x square plus 3 okay 3 uh, xy plus 2y square minus 100. What we'll get further? 54x plus 52y minus 3x square minus 3xy minus 2y square plus it is 100. And we'll get this one. Now we'll find the profit x. Pi x is equals to partial derivative with respect to x for the profit function pi. The profit it is pi, therefore pi. Uh, it is 54x plus 52y minus 3x square minus 3xy minus 2y square plus 100. Okay, are you doing at this side equals to we'll get 54 and then minus 52y is 0 minus 6x minus it is 3y minus 0 plus 0. It is 54 minus 6x minus 3y. Now again, double partial derivative with respect to x, what you'll get? 54 minus 6x minus 3y. It is 0 minus 6 minus 0. It is minus 6. Now profit x with respect to y. It is what is it is profit with respect to x is 54 minus 6x minus 3y. Then what you'll get? It is 0 minus 0 minus 3. It is minus 3. Now similarly, profit with respect to y, that is del by del y, and the function is 54x plus 52y minus 3x square minus 3xy minus 2y square plus 100. Okay, then if you operate, what you'll get? It is 0 plus 52 minus 0 minus 3x minus it is 4y. 4y plus 0. Then what you'll get? 52 minus 3x minus 4y. And then therefore with respect to y, partial derivative y, and what is the profit with respect to y is it is 52 minus 3x minus 4y. Look at 0 minus 0 minus 4. It is minus 4. I believe that till here the solution is clear for you all. Now for stationary point, now we're going to find the stationary points. For stationary point, pi x equals to 0 or pi x is 54 minus 6x minus 3y equals to 0 or we'll get 6x plus we'll arrange this one and we'll take all these terms to the next side 6x plus 3y minus 54 equals to 0. I'll let it be equation 1. Also pi y, it is pi y equals to 0. What you'll get? or 52 minus 3x minus 4y equals to 0, or 3x plus 4y minus 52 equals to 0. It is same as the 1. Now we are going to find the value of x and y. What we'll do is um, we'll use the elimination method. For that one, uh, we'll multiplying equation 2 by 2 means we'll get 6x, and subtracting from and we'll subtracting from equation 1. What you'll get? Equation 2 from 1 means this equation 1 need to be written at the first one. 54 equals to 0. It's only 54. It's not 540. Sorry for that one. Now, let's move further one. Okay, this one, and multiplying 2 by 2 means we'll get 6x. For this equation, we'll get 6x plus 8y minus 52 divided multiplied by 2 is 100. 4 equals to 0. As we are subtracting over here, then the sign will be changed. This x cancel. 3y minus 8y is minus 5y. And if we subtract 104 minus 54, we'll get 50 equals to 0. Or minus 5y equals to minus 50. Or y equals to minus 50 by minus 5 means it's 10. Then we'll substituting the value of y in equation 1 or 2. I'm substituting it in equation 1. What you'll get? 6x plus 3 into 10 minus 54 equals to 0. If we move further, what you'll get? Plus 30 minus 54 equals to 0. It is 54. Or 6x. 54 minus 30. If you subtract this one, then what you'll get? 24 is minus 24 equals to 0. Or 6x equals to 24. Or x equals to 4. Therefore, the stationary the stationary point is the value of x is 4, comma 10. This is the stationary point. We'll use the condition pi x equals to 0 and pi y equals to 0 to find the stationary point. Now, from equation 1, see what is in the equation 1. Equation 1 is 6x plus 3y minus 54. Equation 1, that is 6x minus 3y equals to 54. Or what we'll get? No, sorry, because I need to erase this one. Now we are not supposed to find because already we have calculated this one. Okay, then draw. Now we need to find d equals to that's pi xx dot pi yy minus pi xy whole square. The value of pi xx, you can see over there it is pi xx, its value is minus 6, then times pi yy, this value is minus 4, partial derivative of y in terms of y, minus pi x, it is minus 3 whole square, it is 24 minus 9, it is 15. The value of means what you can write over here, that is d is greater than 0, and pi x its value is minus 6, that is smaller than 0. Pi y its value is minus 4, is less than 0. Therefore, the profit function, therefore, the profit function is maximum at 4 comma 10, and the maximum value at that point, means 4 comma 4 is, we need to find the value of pi at 4 comma 10, 4 comma 10 is equals to 4 comma 10 is equals to uh, it will be first pi x, the value of the pi x. First I'll erase this one, I'll write the value of pi. The value of pi means the profit function is 54x minus, sorry, not minus, it's plus 52y minus 3x square minus 3xy 3xy minus 2y square plus 100. Therefore, the profit function at 4 comma 10 is given by 54 into 4 plus 52 into 10 minus 3 into 4 square minus 3 into 4 into 10 minus 2. Y means is 10 whole square plus is 100. Uh, what we'll get? 54, 4 4 is 16, get 1, 4 5 is 20, 216 plus 520 minus 3 into 12, 4 sorry, 4 4 is 16, 16 into 3, 48 minus 3 into 4, 12 into it's 120 minus 100 into 2 is 200 plus 100, it is 48. Then while solving, we'll get the value as 468. This is the function, the profit, maximum profit at 4 comma 10. Okay, now I'll be revising the solution once again. Yes, question is we need to find, yes, according to the question is given as we need to find the we need to find what? We need to find the quantities of each goods, means of good X and Y. We need to find the quantity of X and Y which must be produced, that need to be produced and sold in order to get the maximum profit, and we need to find the maximum profit also. What is the maximum profit? We need to find that one. For that one, what you need to do is wait for a minute. Okay. Yeah, these are the given thing. We first will find the profit is obtained by total revenue minus total cost. First, that means the price of each quantity is given. Px equals to 54 pound and of y type is 52 pound. Total cost is given. Revenue means the price of x quantity with its number of term. That means it's x plus price of y item into its quantity y. We'll get 54x plus 52y. We'll find the profit by using the formula profit equals to total revenue minus total cost. What you will get by doing the partial derivative, we'll get the pi x means partial derivative of the profit function with respect to x. We'll get it as 54 minus 6x minus 3y, and again with respect to x, we'll get minus 6. Of x with respect to y, it's minus 3. And similarly, now moving forward, yes, the mixed one, uh, y, in terms of y, the partial function of a given profit function, will get 52 minus 3x minus 4y, and y in terms of y, the partial function of y in terms of y is will get minus 4. And for the profit, we need to find the stationary point. For that one, what we need to do is that we need to assume, okay, sorry. We need to, for the stationary point, we use this condition pi x equals to 0 means partial differentiation of profit function with respect to x. We'll get this one as equation 1, and partial differentiation with respect to y, we'll get this one, equation 2. And we need to solve these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We can use any method. Over here, I have used the elimination method. Okay, and by doing so, the value of y, sorry, the number of y item is 10, and while substituting it in equation 1, uh, the number of the x item is 4. Therefore, the stationary point is 4 comma 10. Means this is the number of the item that need to be produced. X items 4 units and y item as what, 10 units. And then now moving forward, yes, we need to find the maximum profit. For that one, also need to find the value of the d, that is pi xx minus pi y minus pi xy whole square. Its value is positive, as the value of d is, that means it's positive. uh, X with respect to x, that is partial differentiation, is negative. In terms of y, with y is also negative. It means this is the condition for the profit. Therefore, the profit for the maximum one. Therefore, the profit function is maximum at this 4 comma 10, and the maximum value at 4 comma 10 is obtained by substituting the value of x on y in the profit function, that is pi is this one. And finally, the profit is obtained as 468